Hello friends, I am making an e-commerce website using WordPress, WooCommerce and Woodmart WordPress theme. Woodmart is a very strong and popular WordPress theme, multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress theme we can say. And this store sells t-shirt, custom printed t-shirt and apparel. Now, let us go to this product listing page. This is product detail page. I want to add some additional things, additional options like 100% cotton or the sizes guide and everything that may relate to this particular product. Whereas on other product I have different requirement, like I want to show something like timetables and all. So there might be different things that we can add on this page, I mean product listing page, to illustrate the product, to describe the product, to select the correct product, and this is very important from the user perspective. So it is definitely going to boost the CX, I mean customer experience, and your store needs such advanced customization option so that your visitors may use correct things and they may enjoy the ordering at your portal, right? Let me show you some raw examples what I am actually willing to say. So this is a demo instance from a plugin. That this can be done of course using a plugin. So choosing a perfect plugin, suitable plugin is always a challenge. So this is my objective, to show you all the relevant and very useful plugins, themes and how-to guides on this channel. I'm sure you are a subscriber and watching the videos on this channel, and you are also a member of I Create program, so you can join the program for free and you can ask any question related to WordPress website on the live chat. So there is no delay, so you can simply start asking, start connecting mentors here, the WordPress experts here, and you can even explore the solution, right? So I'll show you some examples. Like these are the products, product grid, and I'm showing you for the global products option that we can add as extra options. Like this all product shows download the CSV for this product. So this this feature is usually important when the store is selling the wholesale things or willing to share the custom details in text formats, like all the details in text formats of product. So download the CSV of this product can be used as a global option with the plugin that I am going to show. And similarly there might be multiple instances, like if we check the product label option. So what I'll do, I'll open this in a new page. So this is product label option. I'll open this product and it has some additional option like color printing, so use the option. This is a drop down, and the size guide is also here, a small, medium and large. However, it can be achieved through the variations as well, but variation is not always sufficient to show the specific details on the product listing. Further, we can show the related variations, like this is filtration system and ingredients. So this is very good. So if you are selling a product like a food item and there might be custom ingredients, so it is really very good example of additional product option, additional options at the product page. Okay, so there might be many requirements that you may need to use at your WooCommerce store when you are developing your site according to client needs and all. So here is the perfect plugin to show extra product option and add-ons on the WooCommerce store on the product page, of course. This plugin has got particularly 36,000 plus sales as of now. So you can simply assume the popularity of this plugin and the usefulness of this plugin. So the big number of sales clearly indicates it works well, and it has got a very good reviews from its existing users. It has been developed by Theme Complete. They are Power Elite author at Envato Market, and you can simply buy this plugin at codecanyon.net through the video description link. It is important to follow the video description link, and that is an affiliate link. This is why you are going to buy a correct product first of all, and you'll get a free pass at the I Create program where you can get additional premium things without any payment. So just follow the video description link for buying the product. But yes, you need to watch this complete video to understand before you spend this $69, because it can be a considerable amount for a website project. And in this $69, you'll get everything like future updates, quality check, then 6-month support from theme complete itself. In addition to this, we are going to help you all around in the WordPress website through our iCreate program. You just need to get onboarded using this get started form. So it is free. Yes, it is free. Okay. Now coming back to the options, what we can add. So here is my website, my installation, and I have already installed the plugin set extra product options and add-on for WooCommerce. So on the plugin screen, I'll show you the plugins, installed plugins. I'll show you a very comprehensive screen and setting options. So this is extra product options and add-ons for WooCommerce. It is installed, active, and in latest version. First of all, I'll show you the settings on this screen, and we have numerous customization options. So it is very comprehensive and very detailed customization. So we can do miracles here. We can change anything on the product page. We can add anything, in fact. So before that, we can explore a template, like option templates are here. You can create option templates, and you can use a template on every page wherever you need. So like you can change the you can add new headings, divider, date and time. So like if you are adding date, so it is going to add on the extra product option form builder. So this is date option. Similarly, we have in the template we have multiple options. Like again, I'll show you. So you can add elements. Just follow the steps. Like you can simply click on add element button, use a simple interface and design and configure the add-ons, save and activate your new add-on to enjoy the extended functionalities. Okay, so on this screen we have the time, the range picker, the color picker, the text area, text field, upload, multiple upload, the product, checkboxes, radio button, multi-select option, select box, and the dynamic calculation. So these are enough thing that you may need to use at product description page. Okay, now I'll take you to the settings. In the setting area, this is very comprehensive, as I said. In the general settings, we have initialization, the final total box, or the various things that we can set. So I'm going to show you very quickly all the screens so that you may get all the idea. Ultimately, you have to do at your WooCommerce store, and you can get all the support help in form of member, like here on the iCreate, or even you can write in the comment section. So we are replying all the comments, yes, on every video. So you can watch hundreds of videos regarding to WooCommerce customization and all on the channel. And it is a good idea to join the program to get in touch with a mentor for every support on a live chat, right? Okay, and coming back, so these are the options like enable front-end access for selected roles, disable front-end access, enable translation, and the post hook priority plugin loading areas. So you can decide where the plugin is to be loaded. Like here, by default, WooCommerce pages is selected. So this is a very good technical thing. So this plugin functionality does not loads on non-WooCommerce pages. So generally when we install a plugin, it starts loading on all the pages. That makes our website slow. Yes, so where the functionality is not required, it should not load. So it is very clear. So this is how we are controlling technically, and there is a video on this channel, so how to restrict things to load on particular pages. So you can watch the specific video, right? Okay, so final total box and various options. Further, we have display options, like we can set the display, and this controls how your fields are displayed on the front end. If you choose so using action hooks, you have to manually write the code to your theme. So there are details. So there are normal, you can select, and you can choose the post select options, enable extra products in the shop and category view. show quality selector only for elements with a value, and this is very logical again. So full width label for elements, show choice description inline, hide choice description when using the shop tooltip setting for radio buttons and checkboxes. Okay. Uh, Further, we have multiple options like placement, prices, floating, total box, add to cart, and animation and variation. On the cart option, we have turn off persistent cart, clear the cart button, the cart field display, and the hide extra option in the cart, hide extra add-on prices in the cart and checkout, prevent negative priced products. Okay, prevent zero price products, hide checkbox element average price, show image replacement in cart and checkout, hide upload like URL, upload file URL in the cart and checkbox. So this can be these all can be enabled using toggle buttons. So uploaded images in the cart and checkout, maximum image width, maximum image height, always use unique values on the cart for elements. Okay, this is all in the cart. In the order section, we have the post type to show the saved option, strip HTML from emails, legacy metadata, the unique meta values, prevent option from being sent on to the emails, disable sending option using saving the order, attach upload files to the emails, disable option on order status change, hide upload file in URL order, and show uploaded image in the order. Further, we have strings where we can use the field label, multiple field values separator, free price text replacement, for select options and all. On the area where we can set the style, so this is completely customizable thing. Enable checkbox and radio styles, swatch border type, and you can set the swatch border color. So this is very good setting. And the text swatch border color, swatch active border color, and all. Okay, so there are many things. Similarly, we have global settings like enable validations, disable error scrolling, error label placement, use options cache, disable database query cache, and the JavaScript and CSS inclusion mode. Further, we have visual, locate, pricing, string, CDN, variants, and all. In the elements area, we have general settings, grid, radio buttons, checkboxes, select box, date picker, text, upload, and product. And in the general setting, we have the tooltip, maximum width, the image mode, the recalculate image on the changes, retrieve image sizes for image replacement, show quantity 1, enable. So this is a very good enable to show the quantity string even when the quantity is 1, and the quantity selector is enabled. So this is good. So it's always show a single quantity. However, it can be increased or decreased, right? Upload manager is here. The custom code we can use, and the math formula constants. So this is again, you can add constants here as required for calculation. We have builder options like we can selection label type and H2, the overrides and all here, and further licenses. So this is very comprehensive that I have seen in any particular plugin for this extra product options, and I'm sure there is no plugin like this advanced system where you can customize up to this level. And further, we have additional options like you can use the template global forms. So this is the global forms. So you can add a global form. It will show a form throughout your WooCommerce store. So you can add element or you can add selection. So this is again, you can create a global form here. So this is like a form maker, and you can use all the information, heading, time, and also it will start showing a particular form and the design form on the product page, product description page, and this is going to be very helpful to show additional information in form of a form, and form is going to collect the data whatever you want related to product, or even you are asking certain things about the product before the making the order. So this is very, very important when you are showing additional things on the uh, product page, so that your visitor may choose the correct things, they may ask the correct things, and they may order the correct product. Yes. Okay, so now I'll show you option templates that I believe I have shown you on this video itself. So you can create options, like you can use a template and you can use the template throughout the portal that you, wherever you want to use simply. So this is all, and there might be different permutation and combinations for using these extra product options. So if you want to have such features, particularly this feature on your WooCommerce store, and you are confused how you can do this, and setting might look some technical or something you are not comfortable, so simply ping us on the live chat I create program, and we are going to implement this feature or any suitable feature that you actually need for your WordPress site. So this is very important to give all the standard or the advanced options to your visitors, to your customers, so that everything may be very clear, and it also reduces the returns and refunds. So this is really enhancing the customer experience, and the extra product option and add-ons for WooCommerce is a perfect plugin for doing all these things. Yes, you need to spend $69, but this amount can be covered in just few orders, and your visitors will enjoy ordering the products, and it is going to boost your average order value as well. So increase your average order value, sell personalized and made to order products, replace multiple plugins with one flexible solution, build complex pricing logic without writing code. So these are some benefits. Okay, so let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more suitable and perfect solutions for your WordPress site, where you can create amazing websites using WordPress core and the plugins, themes and all. So keep watching, keep building, and thank you for being here.